Alright, in this video we're gonna add some roles and features on this server. I clicked on add roles and features. The installation type is going to be role based. Just keeping all these defaults here. And mainly what I want to add is Active Directory domain services. Now these are all the services that need to be added along with it. Click next. Click next. Next and install. Active Directory domain services, group policy, and other related services are being installed right now. The installation is complete. I'll click close. We now have Active Directory users and computers. This is our domain.